Hey, no matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So I'm making some plantain or plantanos. I had some black beans and zucchini earlier, but I didn't eat till like 5 o'clock, so I didn't even think about recording it. So this is just like a little snack. Normally you would eat these with a meal, but it's fine. I'm having them as a snack. So, do whatever you want to do. If you want to eat them with your meal, fine. But if you don't, and these are the sweet ones. How do you know it's the sweet ones? The darker the skin is, the sweeter the inside is. And I just got this from like a little local Latino grocery store. So that's it. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.